Okay, you guys, so I'm going to take you along for this journey because we got an air fryer for Christmas. My husband bought it for us. It's a GoWise. I think it's a 12 and a half quart. It's almost as big as my dehydrator, and it dehydrates as well. So now I have several dehydrators to use. So my first meal, we've been using it to like reheat pizza and French fries and stuff like that, and it's all come out really good. So this is my first test. I'm going to make pork chops. So one of my favorite things to make is pork chops, in a pan, um, such as this. So, and I also bread them and fry them. So we're going to see how this comes out. So I'm making three good sized pork chops. They come from Costco. I buy the big pork loin. Um, it's normally, I think, $1, under $2 a pound. And then I cut into the size pork chops that I want, or butterfly pork chops, or however you want it. I find it to be cheaper that way. I get the size that I want, and it works for me. So I'm going to put this aside really quickly. I'm going to put it up here because that's not on yet. Oops. I'm going to open my air fryer. Oh, there's some crumbs in there. Okay. So we're going to put this in here like this. And let's see, it has a light. Oh, I guess I have to turn it on first. The light doesn't go on. Let's see. Oh, the door's open. That's why. I'm still learning, guys. I haven't really used this at all. Okay, so turn it on. I'm going to put it at 350. 350 for 15 minutes. Here, go up here. Okay, and leave it. Actually, it's on the pizza setting because that's what I found. I haven't really figured this out yet. I know how to do the menu and I know how to change the time. So I found the first thing with 350 degrees, changed the time to 15 minutes. Gonna put the light on. There we go. And there's our pork chops. So I've heard that I need to turn them over halfway through. So at about 7.5 minutes, 8 minutes, I'm going to take the tray out and turn it over. And we'll see what happens. So when this comes out and dinner's ready, I will post another video and give you my honest review on what I think. Hopefully they come out juicy. I was going to sear them first, but we figured we'd try and let the air fryer do its magic like everybody says. So we'll see, you guys. I'll bring you along for the ride when I'm done, when dinner's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please watch my channel update video to get the latest on what I'm doing and the giveaway that we're doing. There's some pertinent information in there. Got to watch it all the way to the end, though. That's the thing. That's the key. You might find a little surprise at the end. Something you might need to do. So go watch that video, and we'll come back when this is ready in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.